Hello students, myself Priyanka Jha and I hope you are very well and healthy and welcome back to our class 8 video classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss some important topics of chapter 7. The topic name is conservation of plants and animals. At first, we discuss the topic biodiversity. Occurrence of innumerable number of different types of organisms and the whole range of their varieties, biotypes, adapted to different climates, environments and areas is called biodiversity. Wildlife sanctuaries, national park and biosphere reserves are names given to the areas meant for conservation and preservation of forest and wild animals. Plants and animals of a particular area are known as the flora and fauna of that area. Endangered species are those species which are facing the danger of extinction. Red Data Book contains a record of endangered species. Migration is the phenomenon of movement of a species from its own habitat to some other habitat for a particular time period every year for a specific purpose like breeding. Reforestation is the restocking of destroyed forest by planting new trees. Flora. What do you mean by flora? Different types of plants belonging to an area are known as flora. Example: silver fern, sal, teak, mango, etc. And fauna. All animals found in an area, example dog, frog, insect, are known as fauna. Endemic species. Species of plants and animals found exclusively in a particular area are known as endemic species. These are not naturally found anywhere else. Species of plants and animals which have already been lost. Example: dodo, Indian cheetah, pink-headed duck, etc. are known as extinct species. Threatened species. Species that is liable to become extinct if it is not allowed to realize its full biotic potential by remove the cause of threat. Types of threatened species. Endangered species. A species of animal or plant that is seriously at risk of extinction. Example: Indian rhinoceros, Asiatic lion, Asiatic wild ass, etc. all are included under endangered species. Vulnerable species. A vulnerable species is a species of animals or plants which are likely to become endangered unless something changes. Example: black buck, golden langur, etc. Rare species. Species whose population are originally small and scattered in the world is known as rare species. National parks. What do you mean by national parks? Protective areas reserved exclusively for the betterment of the wildlife is known as national parks. These are established at the approval of legislature. Example: Hazaribagh National Park in Jharkhand, Desert National Park in Rajasthan, etc. Sanctuaries. Hunting prohibited areas shut up by the government are known as sanctuaries. These are only for the protection of wild animals. Example: Jaldapara in Madarihat, West Bengal, Keoladio Ghana in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, etc. Migration. The regular periodic two-way movement of birds and some animals from their place of residence to some other place along well-defined routes is known as migration. It is linked to a seasonal factors, breeding, shortage of foods, etc. The Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is known for the migratory birds. So dear students, the chapter 7, all the topics of chapter 7 and points to be discussed in today's video classes. So thanks.